Welcome to CondoLogy.
Let me introduce myself. I'm CondoBot. First, let's go to the CondoLogy website. I am here at the bottom right. Click on me so we can start the conversation. My duty as CondoBot is to inform the user on how CondoLogy is working. I'm in a good position to refer important links and informations. I have the power to connect you with a CondoLogy specialist, especially if you are a CondoLogy user. I will be able to indicate to you in the User Procedure Manual the pages of information which you seek. I will give you access to the video link on YouTube which explains sections or modules of the procedure for use. I'll suggest links to any documentation you might need. As CondoBot, I will be your ally. Have fun on CondoLogy.